We are sportswear t-shirt manufacturer from Tirupur. Wholesale only. If you need regular updates of our products, kindly message us in WhatsApp. We manufacture dryfit t-shirts, dryfit shorts, dryfit track pants, dryfit sleeveless. Our warehouse is located in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu near Katherpet Wholesale Market. Those who need branded low-cost premium t-shirts contact us through WhatsApp. We have customers all over India. We dispatch orders on same day. We have lycra stretchable products in track pant and t-shirts. We also making 100% cotton bio-washed 180 GSM branded t-shirts. Working time, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday closed.